So today let's learn how to drape a dhoti like this in a slow, detailed and uncut video.
Hi guys, this is me Rohit and today I'm going to show you how to drape a dhoti. There are many different styles that one can drape a dhoti in, but the one that I'm going to show you is pretty basic and I hope you can have a look at the video and learn to drape it like I am showing you today. So you have to wrap the fabric around you like this, and you have to ensure that the length on both the sides is equal. So for that we have to hold the fabric from both the ends like this. Yeah. And now I have wrapped it around my waist. I've ensured that the part on my right and on my left are equal in length. So now we have to hold it. We have to gather some of it like this, and we have to tie two knots. Two knots so that it's secured and so that it doesn't open up. So like this I have tied two knots. Okay, so this is done. So this is the right side, this is the left side. Now what I will do is I will hold the right end from this edge and I will take it behind. I will pass it between my legs and I took it behind like this. So if you want, I'll show the step again because it can look a little complicated, however it is very easy. So you have to hold it from the edge like this and you have to take it behind like this. Hope this is clear. So once the fabric is at the back, you have to hold it like this and you have to make pleats. You have to make pleats till you reach at the back. So I've made pleats. Now there is no more place to make more pleats. So these pleats I have to tuck in like this. So I have tucked in the pleats. Now this loose end would be hanging once you tuck in the pleats. So you have to hold it. You have to hold the loose end which is hanging and you have to bring it in the front like this. Okay. So once you bring it in the front like this, you have to make pleats again. 1, 2, 3. Now I have made 3 pleats. This depends on the length of your fabric. If your fabric is longer, you might have to make more pleats. If it is shorter, you might be okay with just 2 pleats. So I've made the pleats like this. I have to pull it. I have to pull it like this so that it doesn't hang loose. It shouldn't be hanging loose like this. You have to pull it. Like I pulled it. You have to pull it and you have to tuck this in. Okay. So see, it has become like like your pants now. You can easily walk around in this. And once you're done draping, you'll have this opening in the front which you can use to pee actually. A lot of people think that once you drape these dhotis, it's very difficult to go to the washroom, but it's actually not. So my knots became a little loose and I'm just tightening it up a bit. Yeah, so it's very easy to use the washroom because I've done the right side, and once you're done with the left, there'll be an opening in the front and it gets closed like this. Okay, so I'll repeat the same thing on the left side so you can have a clearer look again. So I hold the left edge and I take it at the back like this, and I will again make pleats. So I've made the pleats and I'll again tuck it in like I did for the right side. tucked it in, and now this loose end is hanging. I will lift it. Sorry, this loose end is hanging. I'll lift it like this and I'll bring it to the front, and I'll again make pleats. 1, 2, 3. So again you have to pull it and make sure that it wraps your ankle. It shouldn't be loose. You have to really pull it up like this, and you have to tuck it in. So yeah, this is your basic dhoti drape. You can easily walk around in this. You can even run in this. This is pretty comfortable, and there's an opening in the front which you can use to go to the washroom. Now if your fabric is longer, you need to just tuck it in more. Like, don't worry, you know, if your fabric is very long, it might reach here. Like mine is coming here, yours might reach here. So you just have to make pleats like this, and you have to tuck it in more. You tuck the entire portion.
Like you can see here, I have used a sari, so it is coming so high up because the length of a sari is longer. It's usually 5.5 meters or longer. And whereas the dhoti fabric which I had used was 4.5 meters. So yeah, in case of longer fabrics, don't worry, you just have to pull it more, like you can see that I am doing, and I am making the pleats properly. So once you make the folds like this, you have to pull it so that it doesn't stay loose towards the ankles, and you have to tuck the entire length inside just like this.
Then try to make these pleats neater, like these pleats which we have made. Just try and make it as neat as possible. So the neater you make these folds, the nicer your dhoti will look. So you can pair it with a kurta, a sherwani, or if you're bare bodied, you can add some jewelry.
This is how the final look is supposed to be once you pair it with a top. And like I said before, you can easily walk around in this. And I'm adding some extra pictures of the same style so that you can have some ideas about pairing it with your kurta or your sherwani, and you get ideas on color combinations as well. Hope you've been able to learn the technique from my video. And if my videos are useful to you, then please do subscribe to my channel.